Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play Let Her Dance on guitar. First, let's get started with the foundational chords. You will need to master G major, C major, D major, and E minor. Make sure your guitar is tuned to standard E. Practice transitioning between these four chords slowly at first, ensuring each note rings out clearly. This solid bass is crucial for the entire song. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is key to the song's feel. The main pattern is a consistent down, down, up, down, up. Try to keep a steady rhythm, focusing on a strong downbeat for each measure. Start very slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. This consistent rhythm will bring the song to life. Now, let's explore the memorable lead riffs and melody lines. The main riff often utilizes notes from the G major pentatonic scale, primarily around the 3rd and 5th frets on your B and high E strings. There's a distinctive melodic line in the chorus that adds a lot of character. Practice those subtle bends and hammer-ons to truly capture the song's expressive quality. These details make the song shine. Finally, let's talk about effective practice. Begin by mastering each section, chords, strumming, and riffs individually. Once comfortable, gradually combine the chord changes with the strumming pattern. A great way to improve is by playing along with the original recording. This helps refine your timing and feel. Remember, consistent practice, even for 15 minutes daily, will build your confidence and skill to play the entire song beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.